Here I'm using the ABN Auto Trim Removal Toolkit that I got on Amazon to remove the plastic panels that cover the taillights. You can use a flathead screwdriver, but you may risk damaging the plastic cover, so I like to use tools made specifically for this task. Use a tool to pry the plastic cover off. You'll notice in the video that I'm prying from the right side, which allowed me to get the cover off easily. Once you have the cover off, grab the lamp socket and turn to the left to free it from the housing. Got these LED bulbs off Amazon. I'll put a link for them in the description. They're sold as a pair. Remove the old bulbs by gently pulling on the bulb with one hand while holding the socket with the other. Be careful as the bulb may be hot to the touch. Use gloves if necessary. Replace with the new bulb by simply inserting the bulb into the socket. Insert the socket back into the housing and turn it to the right to lock it in place. Before putting everything back, I would check to see if the bulb is working correctly. You can do this by engaging the ebrake all the way to the floor and then putting the car in reverse. Make sure the car does not roll before you hop out. Here I am showing a comparison of the new LED bulb on the left versus the old bulb on the right. The LEDs I purchased output a light temperature of about 6000 K versus the old bulb, which outputs about 4300 K. I personally can't tell how much better the LED bulbs are for first glance. I think I prefer the look of the old yellow bulb, but I'll give these new LED bulbs a shot since I already purchased them. Now repeat the same steps on the other side. I sped through this footage since it's the exact same as on the driver's side. Oh, 3,500.
You put 3,500 miles on the car already?
Yeah, I've had it for 3 months.
That's what, about 14,000?
Yeah. I don't know if I like that.